Hi, Chris at TMC. Just a short walk around video just to highlight the cosmetic condition of the VW Amarok that we've got here. You will have noticed from the advert, I'm sure, that the vehicle is listed as spares or repairs. Whilst the vehicle does run and drive, it does have a couple of issues here. Occasionally we'll lose power. The ABS traction control light is also present. And as I say, there are a few little cosmetics on the bodywork which we'll highlight as we go around. Starting at the front passenger, bit of that wheel arch trim there just missing. You can see that the wing there's just had a little knock just out of line. At the front, a little bit of a mark here to the front bumper. Coming down the passenger side, there's some dents here just to the passenger door. Little scuff here on the arch. Coming round to the rear of the truck, other than a couple of small dents just here in the chrome bumper. Not a lot else to highlight of any concern, just your usual scratches on the tailgate. Canopy, all the lid there opens up as it should. Gas struts all working. Just general wear in here. We've given it a little wash and a hoover, but not carried out a full valet, just due to, as I say, just being listed as spares or repairs. Little scratch here on the arch. Otherwise, this side's okay, other than a couple of minor scratches to the driver's side. It's all okay there, and a few stone chips to the leading edge of the front bonnet. Windscreen all okay. Vehicle does need an MOT, so it is being sold with no MOT. Driver's door card in pretty good condition, as are the two front seats. There's some wear here to the armrest, and the handbrake looks like it could do with an adjustment. Satellite navigation all works as it should. Aircon nice and cold. Gearbox all operates as it should. Mileage, as you can see there, just over 113,000 miles. To the back seats here. Again, all in fairly good condition. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, many thanks for watching.